I dream of a future where service robots will be so common. There'll be robots to fetch my food, robots to patrol the building, yes, and even robots to clean. Cleaning robots will be everywhere, such that when we go to the service robot superstore, we'll be spoiled for choices. There'll be robots made in Europe, some robots made in China, other robots made in Korea or Japan. And just as a customer clicks on that Korean robot and prepares to check out, he suddenly stops because he saw just what he was looking for. A robot made in Singapore. It was just in stock and rapidly selling out. Great quality at an affordable price, unbeatable value. Because everybody knows that made in Singapore means quality and reliability. And he chooses the Singaporean robot. I dream of a future where there's a bright and airy factory in Singapore, air-conditioned and super clean, where men and women work side by side with robots to make even more robots. Robots made in Singapore and exported internationally. In this factory, there are people of different ages, from fresh graduates in their 20s to seniors in their 60s, each contributing in roles most suitable to them. The fresh graduate assembling and working on programming and repairing machines that make robots. The senior, who is deliberate and careful, is just perfect for the storekeeping role. Even the disabled are not excluded, because with robotic assisted manufacturing, no one needs to be left out in the Industry 4.0 revolution. And besides, this one bright and airy robot factory, there is a dozen more factories just like it in Singapore. I dream of a future that, like Silicon Valley in USA, Singapore is known as a Silicon Island. An island of dreams and possibilities. An island with a thriving ecosystem with many software and hardware startups. An island embracing Industry 4.0, accessible to and benefiting everyone. An island famous for making robots. Really good, high quality, and reliable robots. Robots made in Singapore and exported internationally. This dream of mine will one day become a reality. And today, LionsBot has taken a baby step towards our part in that dream. With the CE and ISO certificate, we've commenced our volume exports to Europe. Being our first attempt, it was really difficult. Today, I'm glad to receive it with members of my team. My advice to our team was no time to take a break, 6 more products to go, and still many more certs to get. So I'd like to specially thank Enterprise Singapore for their small volume production grant making the CE certification possible, and also for the full support and guidance, advisory services from TÜV SÜD and their untiring staff, Daphne, Roy, Thomas, Candy, and Johannes. Thank you.